Hi guys, welcome to Only English Literature. In this video, we are going to talk about the poem Wild Nights by Emily Dickinson. I am going to discuss the poem in two ways. First, how the poet addressed the poem to her lover, and in the next segment, I am going to discuss how she has described about the God, her spiritual love for the God. So let's start. Wild nights, where I with thee? Wild nights should be our luxury. The speaker describes to an unknown addressee that the nights are wild, the nights are full of pleasure and hostile emotions. Wild nights is not only significant to any stormy night, it is about the speaker's turbulent emotions of passion and desire. If only her beloved will be by her side, the nights will be luxurious and sexually adventurous. Futile the winds to a heart in port, done with the compass, done with the chart. But the winds will have no effect on the heart as the heart has already reached its destination. As the speaker is the sailor of the boat and gets lover as a safe harbor, it has reached safely to the port which is beyond the storm that could never arrive. Their love is so strong that there is no need for a compass or any navigation chart to find the route. It's their love that will find the way. Rowing in Eden, the sea, might I but moor tonight in thee. The speaker and a lover reached the highest destination where there is no longer danger but only love. It is the place of Eden where pure love exists. With ecstasy, she exclaimed, expressed as moaning that is coming from the pleasure and the pain. At the end, the speaker wishes she could enter into her harbor at night. Her harbor is her partner, her companion, and her lover. Now, let's look at the spiritual theme of this poem in a nutshell. The speaker addresses God. If God was with her, all the nights will be luxurious with him. He would make everything better for her. Nobody can stop her to meet him. Not even the winds, as she has reached the final destination. To go into transcendence, one does not need a compass, navigation tool, or a chart to follow the route, but it's the spiritual love that attracts her to devote. Finally, with the intervention of God, the speaker reached to the place where he dwells, the Eden, and she cries out of transcendental pleasure that she reached successfully after enduring all the pain. She wishes to unite under his shelter. That's it for Wild Nights. We'll see you in the next video.